In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a beat on SearchMyBeats. The best way is to go to your YouTube account. You find the beat you want to search. For example, this one. You check the date when the beat was created, and you click Upload Beat. And you choose Import from URL. You put the URL. You put the name of the beat. And you put the date, 19th January 2026. And you import the beat. After the beat is imported, you can listen to the beat. And you can do the search. You click Search Now, you press OK, and you just wait until it finishes to scan the beat. Now it has scanned the beat, and you can listen to the results. If there is no Spotify link, maybe the song is already removed. And if the song is available, you can check. And in this case, we can see this is the same beat, so it was a success.